Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. We're doing the stoop at 517 49th Street. And this is the inspector's summary video. It's a pass-fail video. You need an EPA renovator's license. This must be structurally sound and painted. And it's pre-existing non-conforming. Okay, so let's get started. We've got 5 steps up on top, then you have this cage, and then you have steps going underneath. The railings are rotted out at the posts. See, they're completely rotted out. Oh no. This weld here is kind of holding it together. But that's completely gone, and on this side it's completely gone. So that's shot, and the way this is welded to this rail, you can't even use the rail because the mesh is welded to it. Let me give you a shot of that. That's not the purpose of a railing, to support a mesh. And you have this mesh, and when I came here I had to open it. There's no way somebody trying to exit the building can get out with the way these are. So come over here and just show you what I'm talking about. These things were slid in. There's no way you can get out. I could barely open them from the outside, let alone the inside. So you have this old brownstone, and then you have some issues with this. First of all, you got 6 cast in place steps, but then you got this. You've got this rusted out. It's going to show up. You got this rusted out beam, and that supports this platform, this concrete slab. And then let me just try to highlight this. You can see the original brownstone, then it's been parched, and then it's probably been reinforced with this, and that's all has rust and rust jacking. You can see this is delaminating. You can see it falling apart here, so this definitely needs to be addressed. It's a big problem. And then you've got these railings on the one side, and they have this cage. This cage is really bad news because you really can't get out of here. If you've got to get out through this door, you're not going to. So and part of the brick is falling here, which is the support for the stoop. So that's got to be looked at. It looks like there was some ThoroSeal spread on this, but this doesn't look good right here. That definitely, behind the ThoroSeal should be investigated and looked at so that we know that this is structurally sound here. And let me just come back up. And then you've got this situation, and then they put a lock on it. On the other place they had a lock also. I couldn't get in. Okay, this concludes the inspector's summary video. 517 49th Street, the stoop and the stairs underneath. Fire Escape Engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.